Okay guys, so we are at Pop Mart London and look at this cute little Teletubbies. I used to watch them as a kid and there are a lot of Labubus. So just having fun. There was like a queue. I stood in the queue and then came here. And this anime freak is getting his One Piece,
Naruto,
Naruto, all of that.
Itadori.
So it's a very
Naruto.
interesting store. If you ever are in London, do check it out. So I am here for a Starbucks stop because iced matcha latte is mandatory. So my friend ordered it. Her name is Sanika, but they gave us Ranika. So I mean, but anyways, now after this, so we came like to the shopping. It was so crowded. Like it's Black Friday today, so it was very crowded. But now after this, we are going to go to Boro Market, have the strawberry cake, and then probably go to Leto, and then see the Christmas lights in Covent Garden. And then we are meeting a friend in Westfield Mall. So yeah, stay tuned. So we are here at the Apple store and look at the crowd. Like, oh my god. So there are like, there's like seriously no offer, but there's like so much crowd. I just wanted to try the Vision Pro. So yeah, that's it.
You okay? I can close it off, yeah?
Okay guys, so I just experienced the Vision Pro. It is amazing. But anyhow, it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. This is Oxford Circle Street, the same as Regent Street, and yes, the Christmas lights. So now we'll be headed to, as planned, Covent Garden, and yeah, let's go guys. So we are here at Sheffield Mall. Sheffield or Westfield? Westfield. In Shepherd's Bush. Sorry. So the Covent Garden plan did not work out because London Transport apparently. Explain what happened.
We were stuck at one bus stop for 1 hour, so don't come to Central London.
Yeah. So I don't take car to Central because there are like so many rules first of all, and then you will be stuck in the traffic and you won't find parking spaces. There's a lot of issues. So we thought of taking public transport, and that didn't show up for an hour. So our plan entirely got ruined. So then now we came to this mall because the mall gets closed and then you won't be able to shop anything. So today after this we are gonna go home and we'll continue the Christmas lights, the Covent Garden and all the lights, Christmas, which one? Ever After Garden. Yeah, we'll go all of that tomorrow. So stay tuned. This vlog doesn't end here and it's continued for tomorrow. And also be careful, plan well before you come to Central London because the public transport doesn't show up on time. So yeah, that's it for today. I'm gonna shop and go home and continue our Christmas, Black Friday, all of that tomorrow. So stay tuned and keep watching. Guys, so today is day 2 of exploring London, Christmas lights, the shopping, Black Friday, all of that. So since I said we couldn't finish everything that we planned for yesterday, so today the itinerary goes like Borough Market, the Ever After Garden, a little bit more of shopping because we couldn't shop much yesterday, and then finally the Covent Garden and all the lights, Christmas lights. So at least I hope that today the bus doesn't give up on us and that we would be able to achieve everything on time. So now we are headed towards a place where we are going to park the car, and then from there we are going to take the guys, so after an hour or so of bus ride, we are finally here at the Boro Market. So now the task is to find the strawberry chocolate place, and then maybe if there are some other food, then we'll try that. So let's go.
Tem açúcar capaz de estourar. Pá, tem quintas de forma, que é uma coisa que eu não vejo como Just whether my colleague does one here, my friend.
Okay guys, so finally I got my strawberry chocolate. I'm so excited to try it. So the queue wasn't very long and I got it done very quickly, and they're like super fast over there. So I'm so excited to try it. What about you?
I'm very excited as well.
Yeah. So I'm like really enjoyed. Like after 1 year in London, finally I'm trying the famous chocolate strawberry. So
In London,
stay tuned for
Boro
the
Market.
review. Okay guys, so here goes my first bite of the strawberry chocolate. It's amazing. It's really good. I mean, it is overpriced. I'm not gonna deny, but it's amazing. I'm so happy. Okay guys, so I tried the famous strawberry chocolate of London. It was for 8.5 pounds. Overpriced, but still the experience was amazing. I really liked it. What about you?
Yeah, I loved it. It's so delicious. You
It
should
was
definitely
very
try it.
good. Yeah, you should try it.
Yeah.
At least one.
Yeah.
It's fresh strawberries. The chocolates is amazing.
Yeah.
It's really good. You do have to eat it fast because
Yeah.
the chocolate starts getting really
Cheese,
frozen.
cheese shop.
And
Cheese and
yeah.
bakeries.
So that was our review.
Pain au
Honest
chocolat.
review on the-
Pain au chocolat.
I am broke now. But okay. It was a 10 on 10 experience. Do try it if you come to London.
Yes.
Okay, so let's explore a bit more of Boro Market because my friends are seeing something else to eat as well as they are hungry. But I am full and my pocket is also broke. So yeah, that's it. Let's go. Okay guys, so now we are headed to the Ever After Garden, where you find all the white roses. I'm such an Instagrammable girl. Like whatever I see on Instagram, I want to try it and follow the trends. So,
Influencer is being
Yes.
influenced.
so
बोल तो सही
yeah.
क्या बोला मैंने?
Okay, so say, repeat. So he said influencer is being influenced. Anyways, so we are gonna go to the Ever After Garden, do some vlogging, click photos, look at the white roses. I mean, it's supposed to look like magical and all of that. So yeah, let's go to that fairy tale world and I'll show you how it looks like. And then we'll continue to go to with our shopping where we left off yesterday at the Westfield Mall.
Just now you said that you are broke. Where is the money coming from?
I'm not gonna shop like that. That money I saved
Where
for.
is the money coming from?
Obviously, I paid 8.5. That was like almost my 1 hour's pay gone on strawberry chocolate. Yeah, I have some money for shopping, not for eating. So once that is all done, I'll show you what else we do. So stay tuned and keep watching. Okay guys, so we reached the Duke of York Square from where the place where you are supposed to be to reach the Ever After Garden, and We saw some pretty Christmas lights. And yeah, let's go to Ever After. Here we are entering the Ever After garden.
भाई हमारी माता है, मुझे कुछ नहीं आता है.
Hey guys, so we are here at the Ever After garden. Look at these beautiful illuminating roses. So this is actually a memorial dedicated to the people who have lost their lives to cancer and many other diseases. So yeah, it's so beautiful. And the whole place looks so lit and so magical. And yeah, we are here. And if you want to dedicate a rose to your loved one, you can do that over here. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the Ever After garden. And look at Duke Square. It's like Duke of York Square. It is so lit and looks so magical. Now we are headed to Westfield Mall. So I'm gonna catch the bus from here. And yeah, see you. So I am waiting for the bus, and the streets look so magical, so Christmassy. All the lights are lit up and everything just looks so magical and so beautiful. So this is the time where you are supposed to come to London because the whole city looks lit up and so magical. So yeah. Okay guys, so finally we reached the Westfield Mall. The transport of London is not something you can trust. Like if you have trust issues, then forget like trusting the London transport because it's never on time, terminates, something happens. So we were supposed to get the C1 bus, but apparently that bus was, I don't know, something happened and it wasn't available. So then we had to take two buses, go to like Kensington and then somehow come. So it is like so difficult to like reach anywhere on time. But now finally we are here and hopefully we'll get to do the shopping that was remained yesterday. And yeah, so it is going to be busy. I won't be able to show you all of the shopping because we'll need to hurry up, but I'll try to show as much as possible. So stay tuned and keep watching. Okay guys, so I am at the Body Shop and I'm getting this Moringa lip balm. Hand balm. Okay guys, so that was what I bought at the Body Shop. Now we are in Foot Locker because this guy wants to buy a shoe. He is buying the New Balance 1960 shoes, which he is getting in a great deal after like the Black Friday sale. So, are you excited?
Yes.
He was asking for this shoe for such a long time. He was like, I want to buy the 90, 90. So many shoe stores we went into just for that one particular shoe. But why do you want that particular?
Because it's in trending and I'm planning on Yeezys as well if I get a good deal.
But why particularly 90, 60 and not any other?
Because 9060 is the newest one and it's in the trend. That's why.
So I hope he gets his shoe and everything, and then probably I'm gonna go to Sephora and if I don't get in Sephora because they don't have Charlotte Tilbury in Sephora, so probably I might go to Lush or some other store, and we have to do some clothes shopping as well. So yeah, let's go. Guys, so he finally got his shoes. Dikha. How are you feeling?
Good. Excited.
We are not looking excited.
Because I just paid, right?
So yeah, that just happened, and now it's my turn. Okay, so finally the shopping has come to an end, and I got my Rare Beauty product as well as a handbag from Bodyworks. Then my friends did some clothes shopping. So after all of that, we were supposed to end at 9, but it's already 10, and now the Covent Garden plan is postponed again. Maybe we'll go there for like during Christmas times, because I'm like super tired and would like to go home, and also it's Saturday, so again there can be the transportation problem and we might not reach home, so it's better to be safe than sorry. So that's why this trip ends here and I'm gonna go home. So that was all that we did during Black Friday and on Saturday. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please do like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Until then, girl online going offline. Bye bye.